Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see your password in Roblox. So first up, you need to open your system settings. Then you can try to find right here the save passwords here on the system settings. But if not, you can go to Google Chrome. So you can just open your Google Chrome right here and go to google.com. And you need to make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now tap the profile icon at the top right and then tap on manage your Google account. Now right over here, all you need to do is tap that search icon at the top beside your Google account name, and right here you need to search for passwords, and then right here tap on password manager. So all your password that's saved in this Google account will show up, and also the roblox.com right here. So you can see you need to re-enter your password, and finally you will find the Roblox password. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.